Hi everyone, it's me, Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
In the same screen.
Here we are.
Hello.
Together. Hello.
We're going to make something that we love to make with the kids, and they are fairies. Look how cute
friends.
they are. So we made them with pipe cleaners, beads of any color. These ones are, we also have some, well, this one's giant, but we also have some brown ones. We have, so you have many skin colors. Fabric flowers or lays.
You could
use
even use like little pieces of fabric. This is one of those, you could turn anything into a fairy friend. I'll get you started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is take your pipe cleaner and fold it in half. That's half. There you go. Then you're going to get your bead. Pick which one you like. I think that I'm going to use this bigger one. You're going to feed it through. You do like that. And then fold the top a little bit so your bead doesn't fall off. Okay, now you have the start of a fairy friend. Then you're going to make it into, let's do it this way. So it's the number 4, right? You're going to make your first arm into a number 4 and give it a little twist. And then put the extra back down. And you take your other arm and make it into a number 4. Okay, turn it and make it into a number 4. Twisty, twisty. Are you? If I'm going too fast, stop and go back and do it. Okay, so now we've got 2 4s that I twisted into arms. There we are. And then you're going to twist the body a couple times. Now I have my body. Now, okay, there's my body. Then you're going to add a skirt. So we get these flowers. So I'm going to pull off this plastic part. You could actually use that for a hat if you wanted to, too.
Oh, that's
They're all fun, yeah. Okay, and I'm going to use this white because I want to make a white skirted friend. Oh, it's not jazzy enough. I'm going to give her a little extra skirt. So
yeah, you could layer them on.
Yeah, I'm going to give her this top of a different flower. That's going to be this sort of like the ballerina skirt. Then I'm going to go in. I'm having a little trouble, Miss Kate.
Would you like me to help?
No, I got it. Okay,
because I'm going to show you what I'm doing with mine.
Oh my gosh. Okay, there's my skirt. Okay, there's my skirt. Okay, that's your basic thing. Now I'm going to pull her skirt up. And now I'm going to make the legs. Fold the leg in half. You're trying to keep it as even as you can, but you know, it's really okay. Twist it, and then I'm going to bend the foot a little bit so it looks like a foot. And I'm going to twisty, twisty. Twisty, twisty, and bend the foot. And then put my skirt down. And then my friend Miss Kate is going to pass me the hot glue. Because I'm going to give her her fancy fluffy hat. I'm going to put some glue on top here.
Okay,
Thanks, Miss Kate. Don't burn yourself. And then check it out.
Oh, she's so cute.
Oh my gosh, she's so
She looks like she's ready for winter.
Yeah, she's a winter fairy. And then,
and I want to show you what I did while you were busy.
There she is. My winter fairy friend is joining spring. There they are. Hello, friends.
And I made mine into a ninja.
I love that.
So I made the same body
look
shape.
At his face.
And then I colored them all in, but he has a little square for his eyes.
All right, we have to do one more so you see how to add hair. Miss Kate made a very generous, fancy head of hair for me. Then I'm going to slide it up. Oh my gosh, look at that beautiful head of hair, Miss Kate. If you'll see right here, it's being held on by the pipe cleaner so it won't fall out. Let me make her face. She's happy. She's going to join her friends. Oh, she has a little bit of a wonky eye. Okay, there she is.
Okay, here you go. Oh, she's very
cute.
fun.
She's cute. All right, and here we are. We'll say goodbye. Where's our ninja friend? Oh, yes.
Okay.
Okay, here we are. Thanks for joining us, everyone.
Bye, everybody.
Make
This is
a
so
fairy
fun.
friend.
They're going to have a dance. It's a ball.